Hi, third grade. This is Mr. Ortiz. This week, we're going to be learning about different types of graphs to represent data. And we're going to use these graphs to answer and respond to questions using the data in the graphs. Hi, third grade. It's Mr. Ortiz. So this week, we're going to be learning about graphs, and we're going to be using these graphs to be able to answer some questions. So there are four types of graph that you're going to be using in third grade. There's a frequency table, bar graphs, pictographs, and dot plots. The first one that we're going to use is a frequency table. So as you see, I created a survey to ask students what their favorite subject was. And the choices were math, science, and reading. So we have to remember that every table and every graph needs to have certain things. One of the things that they need to have is, what do you notice? What does this table have? What does this table have that tells you what they're talking about? Yes, if you said the title, you are correct. So every table needs to have a title. And the title of this table is favorite subject because that is what we are talking about. Now, it needs to include the items that you're talking about. So here we have the favorite subjects, math, science, and reading. So now we have to determine how many students chose each of these subjects. So in a frequency table, you need to have tally marks that tells you how many students, and then we are going to determine how many by using this frequency column using our numbers. So let's see, how many students chose math? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 students chose math. Let's see how many students chose science. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students chose science. Let's see how many students chose reading. How many students chose reading? Let's see. I know that each one of these groups is 5. So 5 and 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. If you said 14, great job. So now we know exactly how many students chose each subject as their favorite subject. So this is a frequency table. It gives you data and information about something. And here we're talking about the favorite subject of students.